In today's video, we'll be talking about smegma. Yes, you know the cheesy buildup that happens in your vulva? That's what we're going to be talking about, smegma. Spring is here and I'll be talking about why your vajay stinks. But don't worry, girl, I can help you with that. Because believe it or not, a few little tweaks here and there can really turn the whole situation around. So if you want to feel clean, confident, and balanced this season, continue watching. Hi, my name is Pia, and I help women achieve balance in their vaginal health with practical tips, useful advice, and just my own lived experiences. So if you enjoy feminine wellness content, then I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking in there. Like I'm always checking out my vulva to see what's going on down there. Does anything look different? Does anything look strange? Do I have a bump that I didn't have before? Like I'm just always in my vulva checking things out down there. The first time I saw smegma, I'm like, oh, what is this? I don't know what this is. I had no idea it was called smegma. So I just always called it pum pum cheese. So I don't want to say what it's not. So let me read the definition for you, okay? Smegma is a natural accumulation of oils, skin cells, and moisture. It's found in both male and female genitalia, especially in the folds of the labia minora and around the clitoris of the female and under the foreskin of the males. But like, that's not what we're talking about right now. Anyways. So that's what smegma is. So if you ever go down there, or if you're looking down there with a mirror and you see anything that looks kind of like whitish, it's not a yeast infection, because a lot of times people see that like, oh, is that a yeast infection? No, girl, it's just kind of like a buildup of oils, just about you going about your day, and it's just an indication that it's time for you to take a shower. That's all that it is. Now, let's talk about somewhere where there's smegma buildup, but you probably didn't know about it. And this could also be causing an odor down there, and you're just like, I didn't even know that. What's causing this odor? Because I've been washing it thoroughly and delicately, but yet still I'm still smelling something. What about your clitoral hood? What about your clitoris? Now you're probably saying, girl, what are you talking about? How do I even wash my clitoris? Yes, some of us, and I know I'm saying some of us simply because I've posted a video similar to this on TikTok and people are just like, I don't have a clitoral hood. And we know that the female genitalia, like we all have different, it looks different for everybody, right? So for some of us, we can actually expose our clitoral hood. Like it has like a little foreskin, like a penis. And you can actually like pull it back and actually cleanse that area, okay? So don't take my word for it, baby. Go get a mirror right now, or I don't know if you're on your bed, just skin out, do what you gotta do. But go check right now. Look if you have a clitoral hood. And if you have one, can it be pulled? I think we all have one. Sorry. We all have a clitoral hood, but I don't think for everyone it can be exposed, according to like what I'm understanding. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But your clitoral hood also has buildup of smegma. To be honest with you, there's so much smegma in there. Okay? There's so much. And when I discovered it, I was like, get out of here. What is happening? Okay? Now I'm obsessed. Me ever clean in there. Me ever go down in there and wash out in there with water. Now, ladies, check your clitoral hood. Pull it back. As I said, it's kind of like a little penis. You can pull it back and rinse in there. And I'll let you know, I don't put soap in there because it is so sensitive. When you wash your clitoral hood, I need you to come back in this video. I need you to come back to this video and tell me everything that you're feeling, because don't forget how sensitive the clitoris is. So once you touch it, all kinds of pleasure system, all types of things are going to be going on with you. But that's not neither here or there. Girl, expose the clitoral hood and wash it. And as I said, for me, I don't use soap in that area. I don't use my feminine wash. I don't use anything in that area. I just used plain water. I don't know. I just feel like I'm setting up myself for a whole infection if I put even the feminine wash, even the most sensitive feminine wash down there. So for me, I just use plain water. But girl, the smegma buildup in your clitoral hood is serious. It is serious. So don't play yourself. Expose your clitoral hood, rinse it out, get the smegma out, because smegma is a buildup of kind of like cheese, but it's not cheese. It's just dirt, girl. It's just dirt. Wash it out and live your best life. And whatever vaginal odor you are dealing with, it's probably gonna go away. Some of us don't take the time to ensure that we're going in between the folds, right? So some of us do just kind of like get your body wash, put your feminine wash on it, and you go about your business. You go about your business. You don't split anything. You don't move anything. You don't pull back anything. And then guess what? Smegma gets built up. So now you are going about your day and you're just like, yo, why does my pum pum stink like that? Why does my pum pum smell like that? Girl, when you took the shower this morning before you left your house, did you ensure you removed all the smegma? Did you delicately ensure that you washed it thoroughly? You see both of those words, delicate and thoroughly. They can exist together, okay? Did you ensure that happened? Because if you didn't, smegma can build up. And smegma can build up to the point where it creates an odor, right? So when you are taking a shower, when you are washing your vulva, remember, we don't need to wash our vagina. We don't need to put anything up in that hole. That takes care of itself. We know the vagina takes care of itself, right? She's self-cleansing, self-cleaning. She's a self-cleaning oven. We don't need to do anything up there. But your vulva, you need to pay attention to it when you are taking your shower. A quick little rigorously washing down there is not necessarily going to do the trick. You got to ensure you move the folds and wash in between the creases, right? And that's just what it is. Smegma is a buildup. Just like how any dirt builds up on your body, dirt builds up in your vulva as well. And it's called smegma. And you need to wash it. Because if you don't get rid of it and wash it out, it could be the reason why you be stinking. Wash out the smegma and free your vagina. Wash out the smegma from your clitoral hood. Wash out the smegma from your labia minora. A whole new world is going to open up to you. So that's all I have for you today. But come back for day 3 because we're still going to be talking about what's going on and why your vagina may be stinking.